Had a little rain on the roof, depending on your location, late in the weekend, last night and early this morning. Obviously not a problem out at Keeneland. It's a beautiful morning. Sun coming up and riders out on the track early. There's still some showers that are hanging in around Pikeville. This is the very tail end of it, though. Within another hour or so, it should be out of here. 12-hour loop shows those showers as they went through. It was not what we needed, but at least it was some rain. And some folks did get a decent soaking there. But with a ridge of high pressure building in from out west, that's effectively going to shut any rain chance down anytime soon. So over the past 24 hours via the Kentucky Mesonet, we had a bubble of heavy rain around the Louisville metro area where they had between about 1 to 2 inches in general there. Much lighter amounts, a couple tenths of an inch if you were lucky here in the Bluegrass, and then the amounts ramp back up half an inch to an inch in our eastern counties. So if you break down the numbers, it's not looking good. We continue to dry out. We are running an almost 2¼ inch rainfall deficit since the beginning of the month. That's how much we're down compared to what we typically have by this time of the month. And since the beginning of the year, we're now just barely over an inch surplus. It was much more substantial than that because we just continue to dry out. This shows the percentage of 30-day rainfall that we're seeing here, and it is well below normal for the majority of the area, except far northeastern Kentucky. So the drought, this is the update from last Thursday. The update this Thursday will likely see this drought expand and deepen even more so. We're abnormally dry to moderate drought as you drop back towards E-Town. And that little bit that we had at the tail end of the weekend is really just not even going to put much of a dent in it at all. So rainfall-wise, their next chance is going to be for the upcoming weekend. That one, I think, has better potential than what we just saw, though. It could be over a couple of days, and we could have some rounds of heavier rain there. So fingers crossed, even though it's the weekend, we get something like that going. Cold front tracks east with that high building in that I was telling you about, the winds out of the north-northeast the next couple of days, which is going to keep the heat and humidity tamped down. It will not feel much like late June out there, especially when you consider how steamy it was at the end of this last weekend. Much more comfortable air for the next few days, really. By the end of the weekend to Wednesday into Thursday, the wind starts to shift and we'll see the heat and the humidity both ramping back up. But it's 71 in London, it's 62 in Covington, so you can see that cooler air coming in with that northerly flow. And as well, the humidity is starting to come down. It's still near 70 for the dew point in Williamsburg, still pretty muggy. It's in the upper 50s in Covington, which is an indication of that drier air filtering in. And we will enjoy that all the way through Wednesday. By Thursday, with that wind shift starting to pump the moisture back in, we'll see the heat and humidity rising, upper 80s Thursday. Could start the weekend off in the low 90s. So back into the hot and muggy stuff. There you go. A couple of days in the 90s before we see the showers and storms ramping up as you get into the weekend, and those temperatures will drop as that happens. Around 80 today, partly to mostly sunny with lower humidity. A beautiful day. The one drawback, the wind may be a little gusty at times, but overall in pretty good shape. Mostly clear and cool overnight, well below normal lows as well. And the 8-day shows that we're still below normal tomorrow, getting close to it. Our average high is 86 degrees. Wednesday we're showing a high, pretty close to it. And then into the weekend we'll start off in the low 90s and more than likely stay there as we get into the weekend, though, and that shower and storm chance fires up. The later in it you go, the cooler we'll get. So back down in the mid 80s with those shower and storm chances Saturday through early next week.